What's up guys, Ethan here, and we're at this really cool lake. What's it called? Big River. We're in Big River. I guess this is the Big River. This isn't the river. This is the big lake in Big River, I guess. Great lake area, great sunset. One thing that's really cool is this boat. The Beth Kay. I'm assuming it was an actual boat a long time ago. Look at that. Alright, Josh is gonna come up with me and go. Yep, just pull yourself up. Bud. I didn't actually think I was gonna be able to do that. Yeah. And look at that over there. You guys should actually see it. Actually, that did sag a little bit. Driving in this? Sailing in this? I'm sweating. Because you're going down into the boiler room. Yeah, whatever it is. They would have to block it up. You don't have the door properly. This is just the eating room. Yeah. I'm not going past this point. But wow, yeah. Really cool. Oh yeah, look, they got several holes inside of the ship. Oh. What would this be? I feel like we should get out. There's no sign saying don't go in here, so we didn't go in here to be rebels or anything like that, to be mischief, to be rebellious. Yeah, to be rebellious or to intentionally do something we're not supposed to do. But we're not really sure if we're supposed to be in here, so we're just ducking here as cars drive by. Some old town person. What are you doing in that ship over there? Yeah, it might not actually be something that's not loud. So we're sneaking out the back here, and yeah, we're just gonna have to jump. This was so cool, way cooler than I thought it would be. We were just here in this town, decided to go down to this dock area, and we didn't even know this was here, and we just stumbled upon it, so that was really cool. Yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed this vlog. If you want to check out more of my vlogs, there'll be a playlist right over here. There's another video on this side that I think you guys are really going to enjoy, and please consider subscribing by clicking in the middle. I'm Ethan Enns. Have a great day, and God bless.